Summer outdoor activities. Go swimming. Have a picnic. Ride a bike. Go hiking. Go camping. Play frisbee. Go fishing. Go surfing. Go skateboarding. Play beach volleyball. Build a sandcastle. Go paddleboarding. Fly a kite. Go on a nature walk. Watch the sunset. Beach and water activities. Go to the beach. Sunbathe. Collect seashells. Snorkel. Go sailing. Play in the sand. Swim in the ocean. Jump waves. Rent a jet ski. Travel and adventure. Take a road trip. Visit a theme park. Go sightseeing. Travel abroad. Stay in a cabin. Visit a national park. Go ziplining. Explore a new city. Relaxing activities. Read a book in the shade. Drink lemonade. Eat ice cream. Watch a movie outdoors. Listen to music in the park. Take a nap in a hammock. Social summer activities. Have a barbecue, BBQ. Go to a summer festival. Attend a pool party. Visit family or friends. Go to a concert. Play outdoor games like tag or hide and seek. Creative indoor summer ideas for rainy days. Make summer crafts. Paint or draw summer scenes. Bake summer treats, for example, strawberry pie. Make homemade popsicles. Write a summer diary. Create a summer photo album.